obviously you're flashing buckling of steel bars.
Balik na.
So pwede mo na siya na ang steel bars na sa sunod ang buckle. Okay. And then atod by overall, no? Yung waist. This is usually the cases, no? Magtungan dito buckle ang atong columns and atong bars. And yes, so this is combined failure, no? Combined shear, combined action, combined. And of course, no, the short column effect. And this is not officially listed sa itong libro, no? Failure, but I included this because this is very important. This is the opening of your stirrup during earthquakes. Or even kanang dato tayo na action loads sa inyong column. So what happens to that is, if I'm sure you've seen this already. So this is why nung naligay allow ko. Okay, ayaw sugot na nakalagay mga steel mat or foreman nira. Okay. So trying pa na may katuloy engineer. Yun na uplong. Naman ay ganito niya. So engineer. Gatutoy pa ka engineer. Buat anak, kita ukur, mana ya? So, babae, yes, yang pwede prepare, no? Kaya yung experimentation sa babae sa site na. It's not something na yung modul mo sa human rights. Kung ito yung discriminate ko ni foreman, no, still happening sa site. Just be prepared to that. Ignore na lang possible. Okay, so you know, there's an excessive action loading. So what happens is buka. And may mga excessive lateral loads like your earthquake, buka. So in this case, hindi mo ganda na magdiri ang rebars. Why pugo? Hindi naman diri ang main bar din mo. So mablakan sa iba. So that's why di na siya buka o di siya ma-open. If there are excessive action loading or excessive earthquake sa inyong structure. Okay. So yeah, way back to the mga aspect to also constructed several structure building on kanya. We have pa man din ko sa bahay. Of course, yung update to be in sync with the code, so that's why kinilot. So if I have to be honest, nani siya minimum. I think this is 6 times the diameter of the sila. So kung 10 mm, so dapat siya 60 mm ang minimum length. But you will learn this someday, no, na sayang ang kabilya if tagal kayo sa masinsilyo. So what happens is that ang pinindatakin ito na wala siya wastage. So sa akin na range 40 mm. Sa akin na range 40. Okay? So din ako tumusunod ko 1 inch lang yung nabilit sa mga project. And then i-alternate na siya or stagger na siya pag-plasta. Initial roll na rin ang next is na rin ang next point na rin okay, if butihan na rin nyo, no? Pero pakyo labas na yun, pero sa puto sa inyo musliman, okay? Ipasabot na dapat siya that's to avoid para kung hindi na po sa tanan, okay, so magtuman siya at least na ay mga magpupong pa din sa so that's your so this is an actual figure of opening of stirrups. Hindi lang maklaro ba somewhere here? Okay. So wala na may confinement. So wala may pulo. So your steel bars now, your main bars will now begin to buckle. So ano yun? Pag-buckle na, tanggal na, then cover niya, tanggal na, and dito sa sulong na shake crushing effect. So, para na yun. Good goodbye career. Ano yung tapos? No? Yun yung pinagbukan. No? Huwag niya po, no? Baka pa rin lang sa okay. At 10 times at gani yan, ibutan ko na, I think in our code that's just 6 times dito yan. I have to check na. Ako usually yan is 2 inches na 2 or 3, no? Possible 3. Wala tayo wastage. Isog na ito ng 4. Okay. Kaso gamay ang postage, 4 inches mo. Sabot na siya sa pikas. 4 or medyo na siya congested na rin sa sulod sa inyo. Okay. So close ties with 135 degrees hook are required as per Indian man din yung one. Indian man din yung so pareha na lang CID. Sa ato inisipin na ilan yung ilocalize man sa ato inisipin na and some other video. This is another for my skill. This one will happen. These are experiments. No experiment siya. So katulad ko is medyo close. But again, spalling na niya ko siya. Nalangkat over. Obviously, this is crushing. Okay. And you also have this kind of filler. Akin nila kung makikita lagi mo ginani, inanagalan niyo mo ang mga occupants na to get up. Okay. So, mo yung behavior sa inyong concrete test. Hindi yan kung tapunan na lang kung ano, paparador lang ha.
Rutina.
Mana siya din sulit para din makita. Okay. So this one, no? This is buckling. So in this case, no more potential control because sa pikas side, although lahit sila ng specimen, no, but the line of view on this side is not cracked, no, on the tension side. This one is crushing sa compression side. So for beams, no, is an ideal thing. Pero for columns, lisod na doon mo para doon. Hindi na ipa-demolish. Okay? So wala pa kita ni actual. So what happens here? Na backbone din siya. So what is this one? Naka-fix din yun. Backbone din siya ito. Okay? So ito itong mga K factor. So ito din ito. Ano yung mga fix din siya. Ha? Paklaro? Wala na din. Diba? Hindi na natin. Paano ko na siya, no? What we're dealing right now sa atong compilation are first order effects. No? Okay. But actually, napanay mga second order, third order. Mga P, delta, I don't know if you read it sa atong structural theory of P, delta effect. Okay? So these are secondary movements. No? Aside sa first na hapak, deflect. Napag yun naman na mag-introduce na ng mga eccentricities. Ito mga eccentricities, develop nito siya. Ito sa alam ito mga secondary. So, yeah, so although lugar na parehan, itanawin mo nga okay pa siguro. But basically, wala na ako because in-undergo na siya o cyclic load din yung it would weaken the structure. So, takabalo, no? Dili, wala siya na wala yung manifest. Pero sa sulod, kaya na tanggal na ang band sa concrete wala introduce. Wala introduce. So kung ako anak, sorry na lang ako kaya. Hindi na ako sabot. Sorry. No? So, nalang ko ni mo yung engineer, isa mapirmahan ko dyan, namahulong na dyan, i-allow ko din ako. Okay, so I had that mistake also before, no? Certify ko building related na accident o amigo man lang.
Pwede na yun.
Ngalan yung nakakabit dito sa ubon, hindi yung panahubon. Reinforce mo na ako kung yung lalo dugang may mga white plants na kuwan. Pero what may comment mo, makakaragin siya na yung ba, pangilin niya, yes, be careful with that, no? So fortunately for me, kung may nakita ko, internet ako, si Kempton, sama sa balunan ko na internet ako, nilago ko, tapos way back, usok ang buta ko balon, or saan ang mga napakayapon. So, pastila, no? Pastila yung gaya. May kaliwa na huwag naman. So please, no, avoid that practice no naman. Sobrang ka dito, so sige na lang. Okay? Basta ang nabago pero na po yung certification sa ubong this structure is fit for occupancy. Para ba dito 10 years? Napalit ko. So, yeah. Muna din kasaba kung mga asa na pilitin ang pilitin. O, talaga na certain. O, talaga na magsaba, maasa na pilitin. Sa pala nandiyan. Video.
I'm really proud of
Let's go to the technical aspect of our columns. Okay. So we have here our computation for our loading. So it's actually your 0.85 FC prime of the area of your concrete plus the area of your steel. Now, why is that like that? Okay, so what happens in your columns is aside from the concrete area, okay, so may load yan, no? PU. Okay, so of course your surface area here, cross section, would resist this force. But in the case of reinforced concrete, sa steel, okay lang, okay, uniform ang section. But in the case of reinforced concrete, namanggod kay kabilya na yan. Okay. And these rebars, number 5 there, will also contribute to the resistance of this load here. So that's why nakakaning FY area of steel. Okay. So this is basically 9.85 C prime is your concrete. This one is your steel. So 25 C prime, if you could recall, before na siya di-approximate ni Whitney, and if we go back to our stress diagram for our beam, reinforced concrete beam, actually anak ito. Diba? Okay? And then the peak stress is actually wala man din sa ibabaw, it's somewhere here, it's somewhere here. And si Whitney lang approximate sa tingko siya, no? When we analyze our beam, dito kita sa topmost na fiber. So according sa yan is stress daw din, it's just 85% of the total. That's why we have our 0.85. So wala ginagawa, sukat pa sa wala mo na siya ang gamitin. Okay, so you also have your concrete, and then this is the gross area of your concrete. Okay, minus the steel So sa ganun, para man siya sa concrete na term. So atong tanggalon niya na steel. Okay, na may notify. Kung yung yung tanggalon ni rebar, uslot na yan. So baka, yun natin review with resistance. So mga iba yun. Pero kung lagi rin sa atom steel, okay, you will add the resistance of the steel to compute for our P sub O. P sub O ba na siya because it will depend again on the type of transverse reinforcement, no? Kung siya Paris for its maximum axial stress. You have your 0.8 PO 4 times. So some your 0.85 of your PO, P sub O, this one, this one, to compute for your PN. So note na PN pa na siya. Delete pa na siya ang ultimate. So nanapod tayo resistance factor i-introduce para mahimo na siya PU. Okay? So ilan ito pa so nakay point A, you get point 85, and then later on you will have another factor para mahimo siya ultimate loading capacity in this case. Okay, so that's going to times C prime times the basically that's the net area of the concrete. Saan naman siya steel. Okay, so we also have their pre-stress, as in case mag-pre-stress po po ron. So yung SDM. So it's the same. Again, also, di pa niya siya ang parang, di pa niya siya voltage. So, nominal pa yan siya, 0.8 times the 0.85% prime. Ang net area of concrete plus the FY area of okay. So, I think nagpupa na one goes from Zerdex. So, ako lang hindi hijack from Zerdex ha. So, it's practically the same. So, muna ito akong explain din na. So, you have your concrete, okay? And then you also have your steel. And this is the one I was talking about earlier. So, as long as you have this, this E, no? Eccentricity, which is 10% only of your page, allowed pa lang siya to be purely actually loaded. Okay? And here, no, tayo resistance factor. So, ano siya? Resistance factor is 0.65 for the car. So, saan makalog pa? So, kanang alog pa, muna kaganina, no? Muna siya, diba? So, in textbooks, no, in the textbooks, kanina yung mabasa mo, this is being referred as to your alpha. Pero sa ito yung NCP, yan, nagigit. So, kung psi, yan mo. Yung makita sa books actually or probably sa YouTube, you will see this form here. The ultimate capacity na itong target. So this is PU, PU and this one your reduction factor. Your alpha, which is 0.8 for size or type of, and then ito na yung so the same. For spirals, lahi po niya no, 0.75 po na niya reduction factor, and then you have an alpha of 4.5. So, ano man niya kung ay 0.65 ang reduction factor, and then for spiral ay 0.75. Any ideas? Bakit? No ideas. That's because your tight columns or your spiral columns are more mas liquid, are more ductile also. that's why medyo relax ang reduction factor. So 75% sa capacity at pagkaan. That's because pag continuous mangundo spiral. So it will offer a much more higher resistance compared to the ties. Ties may mamumano siya pa space. So therefore, hindi siya pareha o this stone is more active. So it's not really the same. So ang code, hindi siya 65% na natin to have conservative amount of capacity left for photo. Okay, we have that. Alright. So you've seen this before. Okay. So this is for reduction factor for moment, which is obviously ang ginamit sa beam. Hindi po tayo siya gamiton for action forces and combat. So way back, we are looking at this one. Hindi siya kumulina na for columns, dapat din siya compression control. Because hindi siya spiral to 75 for ties or other line plus spiral ties at 0.65. Tension control ng inyong column. Okay. So you have 0.98 for the spiral and yes, of course the column should be compression. I think it's here also. Actually loaded columns will fail with crushing of concrete and buckling of bars in the compression. So compression control natin. And then you will have your reduction factor there, 0.65 and 0.65. And then for the combined action and bending, yes, it will fail either by crushing of concrete or by yielding of steel. Okay, so test yung tension control or compression. Stay careful. Okay, you have 0.9 is tension. Okay, so some limits in our rebars. Okay, so di na sa pwedeng naghanong po di mo ang inyong kabilya sa inyong reinforcement. I think we have seen sa online photos na yung banto nga pag maulaw na lang ang concrete, okay, nagdan kayo steel. Okay, so it's not allowed lang po. Okay, so what happens is that you only allow 1% of your gross area of your steel. Maximum is 8% only of your gross area of your concrete. If your concrete is 1%, so minimum 1%. That is to ensure na ductile ang inyong column. Okay? And maximum of 8% to avoid congestion sa inyong. So again, kung ganda na sa kayo, for example, lugar polo, plano nyo sa polo, okay? Kung mantayo ka nakasamot sa concrete, gidagkan, okay na, hindi na. Lahat may kapilyan din na. Tanga to just tumak.
Flower.
Yeah, I've seen. Kita na ko naman sa tumak. So, wala kasi, that is your neutral axis ng normalized stress. Kita mo. Ang maximum stresses na rin sa panong extreme fiber. So, yan So, hindi siya pwede. Asa man waki pa yun yung buhos Napo tayo minimum sa annihilator ng okay? And then, steel ratio, area of steel times the area of the concrete BD if square, no? Pero kung circular, this is 5 over 4 D squared for the diameter. Okay, so dapat na siya 1% only of your gross area. Okay, is area of concrete. So dapat na siya 8%. Okay, so in practice, okay, it's very expensive na if abot na ka 8%. Okay, dahil na kayo sa kabilya. Okay. So, the more matalaga ng kabilya, of course, mamahal. And of course, it would require more labor to fabricate. So, in practice, di na ko abot din ito. My minimum is 1.5. Okay na siya 1.5. So, may kalanak siya kung kaya siya dihado sa strength. Although you're allowed, no, 1% ka ng minimum. So, you're allowed, dun si McCormack, I just cannot find it where sa bago ng mga edition. But way back on, 1% is allowed if you are sure that you have accounted all the possible rulings. So, dapat i-anticipate. Kaya ito yung place, no? May anticipate na roofing. So, dapat yung ground. Okay na pag-ulangan sa pero if hindi ka sure, pwede na ka mag-start sa 2%. 2 or 3. Okay? So, okay, no? Greater than this one. So, wala pa ako pa testing no? Hindi ako po 8%. Okay, no? Consistent na tayo ang follow na mga 4% ganyan, medyo na siya bukod na kayo yung iba na kayo makinan sa inyo. Okay, so kailan mong triangular column? Ako sa kita, para naman sa tungkog siguro magigita. So for longitudinal reinforcement, these are the minimum na kung square or rectangular, you are required to have for minimum ganun upat din siya ka main bars. Upat na. Yan ang ikapos sa inyo. Magina ka na. Upat ang ikapos. For circular columns, the requirement is at least 6. And it's either spiral or pwede po hoops lang. Okay? So, depending po paano concept. And then for triangular beams or columns, wala din kita anak na sulat. Ilis lang buhat. Buhat suway. So you will have that. So dito sa kung figure ako makita is we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum required is only 3-inch corner na siya para ma-ikot ang inyong pads. Okay. And then minimum spacing reinforcement for columns, you have either 40 or 1.5 times the diameter of your main bar, and then 4/3 the diameter of your aggregate. So kung kinsa tong pinaka sama niya shall be at least the greatest. So pinakadako, no? So pinakadako ano nilang tulong mo imong pilido, no? So columns ni siya. Ako na lang kung isingit ang sabi. Itong apparently itong inisipin nga nakapili natin yung tayo po. So akong itan-out, duda mo ko akong 15. Akong itan-out akong inisipin na libro yun. It's actually 25. 25 din ako nanda na. So ito nakurat ko, I don't know if you notice na nakurat ito. Ito discuss ko ba? Spacing sa kapiyada sa view. Ito magandaan ka. So, ibibisita So, correct na lang ito ba? So, typo error to siya sa STP na PDF. I don't know, as magikan. But the one I'm using, itong libro yun is 25. O saan yung nandun? 25. For columns, 40 mm. Or depende sa yan naman po yung side na 32 mm na siya. So, pila ng 32 times 1.5. So, hindi kami. 48. No? So, side din yun. Okay. And then, yeah, kung yung still ratio lang, kung still ratio. And then, yung sa code no, hindi na dapat mulapas o 6 inches kada clear spacing between your main bars. Okay, so cross ties must be provided if it's greater than the clear spacing CS is greater than 150 mm. So for tie, the number of bars is 4, spiral is 6. Okay, so muna ganina ang spacing. Okay, so this is a code requirement. So dapat din siya mo lapas o 150 okay, so tawag na. Okay. So we'll continue this sa lang ng pagchika. So siguro akong itiwas ko niya. Ay, wala naman